So, hello guys, if you wish to learn this move, please stay tuned. Please remember to subscribe and smash that notification bell if you wish to learn more Nunchaku content like this. First of all, you need to have your left hand, your palm facing up. You're going to turn this up and place this nunchuck on your left hand. If you notice how my right hand is pointing down. Next of all, what you're then going to do is you're going to bring this hand directly underneath my left hand. On the moment that you're bringing this hand underneath, you're going to turn both hands facing down, okay? Now to come out of this, you're going to rip this underneath this hand here. That is going to cause you to be able to go back to part A, okay? So, in slow-mo, it looks like... Right, so, next of all, what you need to do is you need to take your middle finger and your forefinger, and you're going to basically bring this stick over the top and make it wrap like this. You should notice this pose here. It's from the eagle. Next of all, what you're then going to do is you're going to straighten this stick out, and it's almost going to cause this line. Next of all, you're going to lower it, and you're going to allow this stick to pass over the top and bounce on your bicep. Next of all, what you then need to do is you need to rip this back here onto this stick, okay? But almost like the Z catch, which we done earlier on, we're going to wrap this around this stick here. This is going to cause this almost weird connect, okay? Next of all then, what we're going to do, exactly the same as the Z catch, we're going to rip out of it, like so. And then we're going to bring this over to this shoulder. So, all in one, the move looks... So I hope this helps you out. If you got any benefits from this tutorial, please remember to subscribe. Please remember to smash that notification bell if you wish to get notified when I release the latest tutorials. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon, guys.